Okay, today we are going to talk about a very serious topic because it involves your hard-earned money. We must be very careful about investing in the stock market because the market can get all your money in a matter of minutes. Market don't know if it is a good money or bad money, if it is a hard-earned money or easy money. It don't care about it. It can snatch away all your money in a matter of minutes. So you should be very careful. So what is a profit? A difference between buying price and a selling price. That your selling price should be higher than your buying price in order to make gains. So this is a very simple term of profit. You should buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low. With this simple terms, so much people are making losses. Why? There are so much technical indicators, even so much of complex methodologies or calculations, so much whatsoever, blah blah blah, of more professional traders, even they are making the losses. Why? Because all they are doing is making the simple things very complex. So what we are going to do is we are going to develop a trading system that is very easy to understand and simple to implement. Listen carefully, guys. What is our aim is to make a trading simple, less risky, and more profitable as possible. That what is we are going to use, because the successful people in trading really mostly care about only one thing. They don't lose money. This is the one thing they really care about. So you need to be very careful and you should follow this rule alone. You should not lose money. Okay. We are going to use this simple indicators and chart analysis to make. We are going to use floor pivot, CPR, candlestick, and moving averages and stop loss. These are very simple things that can help us to make more profit and make our trades less risky. Mainly the stop loss. The stop loss is the only thing that can save your life. Even all these indicators fail. I don't know what else happen, or what is happening on that, but whatever it's failed, the only indicator that is going to save you is stop loss. So always remember, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Whenever you trade, even it is a single rupee, you or every time, every trade you make, you must keep a stop loss. Without stop loss, don't trade. Whomever the professional says it, whom your friends and family say it, without stop loss, you should not enter any trade. And the stock market is success. It's all about just four M's. Literally simple. With the four M's, you can make a lot of money with a less risky. So what are those four M's? Method, money, management, and mindset. So method, what you are going to do in this method, and money, how much are we going to invest, and how much we are going to make. How are we going to manage the money, and mindset, the compromising the emotional roller coaster. How will you maintain a emotional roller coaster happening inside you while trading? The thought can, because the stock market, they are doing it with a robot, a software, a code that makes a 1 lakh trade within a seconds. Or just within a second, it will make one lakh trade. So the prices can go high and come way short and way up in a second. So you must be very careful about your mindset about dealing with this, because it may affect your personal and professional life as well. So you must control all these four M's to be successful in stock market, even profit successful and consistently.